Here's one of the most awesome skills you're going to learn ever if you don't already know about it. This is like an essential, an absolute essential for using computers well. It's taking screenshots. So in this video, we're going to learn how to do screenshots in Windows using the snipping tool and also another method using print screen. And I'll also show you how to do screenshots on your Mac if you happen to have a Mac, or even on your phone, how you could figure out how to do screenshots on your phone. So what exactly is a screenshot? Let's say that I have a screenshot right here, actually. Like, here is my screen right here, this big screen, and I took a picture of it, and then I put that picture right here. There's that picture of this screen. So let's say I'm like somewhere like CNN.com, and I'm like, oh, scams target nation's largest Medicaid system. I totally want to tell people about that. I want to show that. I want to paste it on Facebook. I could go to Start in Windows, go to Start, search for snipping. It'll bring up something called the Snipping Tool. So just search for snipping right there. Alternatively, if I knew where it was, right, I could go to All Programs, Accessories, and Snipping Tool. But I like this method right here where I just type in snipping and it brings it up. I click that. It launches this little dialog box where it's like ready to do a snip, and I could choose what kind of snip. I'm just going to stick with a rectangular snip, and then I have this little crosshair right here. My cursor is turned into a crosshair. I left click and I drag over it, and there we go. I've taken a screenshot of what's on my desktop. I can now save that screenshot somewhere onto my desktop, right? So I could save it as CNN clip right there, and I close that. And if I go look at my desktop, so right click my start button, choose open Windows Explorer, I could go to my desktop, and there's that picture. I double click it, there's my picture, right? So I can now email that to people. I could put it onto Facebook. I could do whatever with it. I'm going to delete it because I don't actually need it. So that's just a really cool thing to know about if you want to capture something that's on your screen. If you can't find the snipping tool on your keyboard, there's a key called print screen right there. Do you see it? Print screen. Is that focusing on it? So if you press that key on your keyboard, let me bring something else up. What else would I want to bring up? Maybe something at Reddit. And I don't know. I'm just going to get all of this right here. I hit print screen on my keyboard. You just heard me hit it. And then I could go into any kind of an image program. Like I could use, all programs. Whoops, that's not what I want. All programs, accessories, MS Paint. I could launch Paint, and I could choose to paste. And now I just pasted that image in, and I could start working with that. So I could do it in MS Paint, or I think even into Microsoft Word. I could paste it into Microsoft Word, blank document. Control V is the paste shortcut, and there it is. And so I could start formatting that and, put a little drop shadow on it or different stuff. So that's taking a screenshot in Microsoft Windows. If you're on your Mac, just Google Mac screenshot, and then it'll tell you, hold down Command-Shift-4, and that little crosshair will come up, and you could drag and take a screenshot of your desktop. Or maybe it just takes the whole screenshot. There's different options, but Command-Shift-3, Command-Shift-4, Command-Control-Shift-3, and Command-Control-Shift-4 are most of them. You can also do it on your iPhone. Again, just Google it, iPhone screenshot, and it'll bring you to a page that will tell you how to do it. Basically, what you do is you simultaneously hold down the home and the sleep wake buttons, then release them together. You'll hear the same shutter snap sound the iPhone makes when you use the built-in camera to take a photo. And you'll find the snapshot in the Photos app in the camera roll. So if you hold down the home button, which is right there, and then also the sleep wake button, which is on top, and then release them, that takes a screenshot of your iPhone. So that's a super cool skill. And you just learned how to take screenshots in Windows, on your Mac, on your phone. And that's really, really a great thing, particularly like if you're dealing with tech support. Here, take a look at what's happening on my computer. Or if you're dealing with a professor, well, this is what Blackboard is showing on my side. What's it mean on your side? Or here's the confirmation where I submitted the assignment. I took a screenshot of it. So screenshots, great skill. I'm glad if you've never known about it, I'm glad you just learned it. It's like awesome to be able to share it with you.